This is a quick video that I'm doing for my hibiscus plants. I've got a few of them over here. There's two in particular. I'm trying to corral them all into one little central area. I have several different varieties and colors of flowers and stuff like that. So what I'm doing here is just capturing the moments. And I just wanted to show you what I did was when I was cutting some, I basically took a few stems, cut them off. And let me just see here. See, this is a weed. I'm going to take this little puppy out. That little puppy, that, and that. And what we have left here is, at this point in time, only one survived and put out roots and gave us nice green leaves. So that is another one. I'll pot it up in one of my little plastic cups, and we'll see what color it comes out as months progress and it grows into a larger hibiscus plant. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.